Today we're going to bring a dual sink, and I'm going to show you a couple things that's included on the sink. Now the faucets are not included. All right, this is included, the cap for the drainage, including the bolts, and they're heavy duty bolts so you can hang it. Make sure you have the right backing because this is a little heavy. If you're going to put it on display and hanging, just make sure you have the proper setup on it. So if you can see it, this is nice and solid, very heavy duty, and you go, this porcelain, you could actually crack it, so just be careful when you drop it. It's the same material as your bathtubs are made of now these days. Now this is extending pretty long, and I'm going to show you how long it extends. All right, let me show you how long it is. So basically from end to end we're looking at about 43.5. all right, close to 43 and a half. All right, so you need a lot of space for this. Now let's take a the depth. It's about close to, let me see, from there to there it's about 17 inches. All right, so it's little long space you're going to require. And in depth, let's see the depth of it. The deepest part of it is going to be right here, which is going to go pretty much like, it's almost like a 4 inches. All right, close to 4 inches, 3.5 I would say. So that's the deepest part here. But as you get further away, this is a 2.5 inches. So the deep end is about 4.5 inches, somewhere on here. All right, so deep end, it kind of sinks in. Both ends sink in. Your faucets, you could set up your own style on the bathroom, or not in the bathroom, but I've seen this outdoors or guest rooms too. And this is perfect if you're gonna do a dual. It has two faucets. You can put hot and cold, or you can put them closer together. It depends. You could have a whole unit where it has two faucets at the same time, so you could split them how you want. But right now, as a demo, we're gonna do only one of them, so you can see it here. Now, like I said, big strong bolts that they give you in the backing, and they give you instructions how to set this up, because if this is gonna be flowing, you got to make sure you have the right backing for it. Now, if it's going to be on top of any wooden structure or anything like that, this is a perfect thing to do. If you're in a lookout for a sink and you don't want to have enough space for maybe a larger one, this is a perfect one. This is actually almost the size of one, but if you have a smaller bathroom and you want to have the duals, you can do this. It's just very simple to set up. You do need the backing, and for the backing you are going to require extra mounting space. If you have an existing cabinet or something, you can mount this easy too. Also has existing bottom plate, so you can set it up. Now, the best thing about it is, like, you don't have to have this kind of faucet. You could get your own. You could have a dual faucet, but there's only one single connection coming out of there and one single connection coming out of here. So you could have dual faucets here, dual faucets here. This is perfect for a bathroom. If you have a restaurant and you don't have a lot of space in the restaurant, and for the bathroom, this is perfect too. Also, another great thing about this, it's not very difficult to set up over the existing plumbing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.